Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Chrysler Grand Caravan? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard offers a modern design with a large touchscreen, clear instrument cluster, and easily accessible controls. Its user-friendly layout ensures comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. The instrument cluster features clear, easy-to-read gauges, along with a digital display that provides essential driving information and vehicle status at a glance. The LCD displays crisp visuals, showing key information like speed, fuel level, and alerts for easy monitoring while driving. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic settings with fast heating and cooling, plus air quality and humidity management. The gear selector is designed for smooth operation, allowing easy and precise shifting for a comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning. Battery charge warning. Brake warning. Door open warning. Electric power steering. Electronic throttle control. Engine coolant temperature. Hood open warning. Liftgate open warning. Oil temperature warning. Oil pressure warning. Seat belt reminder. Transmission temperature. Vehicle security warning. Anti-lock brake system. Electric park brake. Electronic stability. Electronic stability control off. Engine check, char malfunction, fuel level sensor failure. Low washer fluid, service automatic emergency braking. Service stop start system, tire pressure monitoring. Service automatic emergency braking, automatic emergency braking. Cruise control set indicator, front fog indicator. Parking/headlights on. Stop start active indicator. I-stop warning. Set speed display indicator. High beam indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.